How to make card using card maker on PicsArt. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how we can make card using card maker on PicsArt. For that, you'll have to open any browser on your device and at the search bar type PicsArt.com to enter the official website of PicsArt. Make sure you are logged into your account. On this page, go to that search icon ahead of your profile picture resembling by a magnifying glass. By clicking on it, you will reach to a new page where at the top you will find different designing tools. Here, hover your cursor to that design option and below you will see different maker templates. From here, select card maker which is located at the event section. Click on it and again you will be taken to the new page. Here in this page, you will have to click on that make a card option at the bottom left to start editing your card. Once you reach the editing space, here at the left side you will find different card templates from where you can select the one you like. Scroll down to find more cards. Once you find the card that catches your eye, click on it to bring it to your canvas. Once you bring it to your canvas, now you can further edit and customize it. At the right side, you will find different elements that are included in this template. By clicking on them, you can edit the elements of your card. So in this way, you can make a card using card maker on PicsArt. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you next video. Stay connected.